I will demonstrate S plus vowels drills at a fast pace. I will do each vowel 3 times in a row. See if you can keep up, but don't worry if you can't. This level of drill gives you something to shoot for. Also, it's important to stress that accuracy is most important. If you're not accurate in your productions when you're going fast, you need to slow down. Okay, we're going to start with say. Get in the rhythm of 5. Say, 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 say. Say, 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 say. Say, 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 say. Our next one is C. C, 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 C. C, 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 C. C, 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 C. Next one, sigh. Sigh, 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 sigh. Sigh, 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 sigh. Sigh, 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 sigh. So. So, 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 so. So, 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 so. So, 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 so. Now, time for the last set. Sue. Sue, 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 sue. Sue, 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 sue. Sue, 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 sue. Keep practicing on a daily basis, and the speed of your productions will definitely improve.